and our course about management fundamentals is ending. We will make now a brief summary of our previous videos. 1. Management can be defined as an intentional action coordinating resources, working towards a predefined objective. Management is important, and its opposite would be let it go, abdicating of conscious action to get a given result. 2. A project is generally defined as a plan, an intention of executing a task. A project must have a beginning, middle, and end, and first and foremost, an objective. Managing something with this nature is easier to measure than managing something that does not have a clear objective. That is why modeling situations in a project format is a good idea. 3. For having an objective, a project usually has a deadline to be completed. The deadline is more or less flexible depending upon the specific situation. Intermediate deadlines for project tasks are usually represented in a project schedule. The schedule shouldn't present any task after the project's deadline. Expanding or compressing the project's execution time can also increase its risks. 4. Scope within the project management context means to establish boundaries to the managed object. The risks of doing more or less than originally planned exist, and they must be monitored. 5. In projects, almost everything has a cost, be it financial, be an indirect cost, such as effort or time. That is why cost management should always be part of an efficient project management. Time is money, and the concept of opportunity cost helps understanding why. 6. A well-planned project in all other aspects may fail without an adequate risk management. Risks may vary over time and should be reevaluated periodically. 7. The most important of all aspects in complex projects is the people management. All other management aspects rely on it. The project manager, more than monitoring the project team and tasks, must create a work environment that motivates the team to do their best every day. 8. There are two standard measures to monitor projects. The EAC corresponds to the estimated cost to execute a whole project, and the ETC corresponds to how much is lacking to complete a project. The manager must anticipate possible variances, if possible also giving suggestions on how to eliminate or minimize them at the end of the project. If this is not the case, the project should be replanned with new schedule and budget. Finally, 9. The project manager must define which performance indicators will be used, as well as what would be considered success. That is, what are the minimum acceptable values these KPIs should have at the end of the project. We hope that you have liked our course and that you can use the concepts we presented here. Good luck, and we'll continue the next course.